I'm going to do a swipe left, swipe right video on Dropbox. Now, Dropbox, been one of the funner stocks for traders to trade, new IPOs this year. We see that Dropbox at around $28 all year, ever since its initial IPO, has held support at around $28. Now, Dropbox, we're starting to get a little bit of history on, looking at about what, 4.5 months now of Dropbox being traded. So we're certainly starting to get a little bit of history. Now, I am swiping right. I am swiping right on credit split plays, either naked puts or wide bull put spreads, or short bull put spreads too, if that's how you want to roll. Swiping right on credit spreads underneath the $28 range. Once again, I will always bet the support holds. So I am swiping right on credit spreads. Now, on Dropbox, we're starting the day, much like a previous video on swipe left, swipe right we did, with some downward pressure. Now, I likely will do a credit spread for the month of September once I get a confirmation signal. Now, with Dropbox, what I'm going to do, we have descending moving averages across the board. Descending moving averages across the board on shorter time frames. Very common when a stock just starts to give out in a given trading session like Dropbox is. I want it to at least go above a shorter term moving average. Now, because I'm looking at a September bull put, which is a little bit further out, instead of a shorter term moving average like the 13 or 15 minute, for Dropbox, I'm going to go with the 60-minute or the hourly candlesticks. And the specific signal that I am going to look for to swipe right on is a close above the 9 EMA. Close above the 9 EMA on the hourly chart. I know on the longer time frame, the daily chart or weekly chart for the last 4.5 months, I know where that support level is. That is the main logic behind the play. Now, my specific signal to get in, because I'm a fairly aggressive trader, and a lot of the trades I do are based on intraday charts, I want to get in. I like to get in. I know I want to bet on that support level on the daily chart. Now I'm just looking for a signal, and I'm going to use the hourly 9 EMA. I'm going to use a close above that, and then a confirmation candle where you see it close above, and then the next candlestick goes above the high by 10% of its ATR, its average trading range, as the specific signal. So like Dropbox right now, I've liked this general area for a while now, like credit spreads down below there, and those are the specific signals I'm going to do. So I'm going to swipe right on Dropbox. And then when I'm done with this video, I'm going to download it into the Dropbox Tackle Trading. So lots of Dropbox. So yes, a confirmation, close above the 9, and then 10% ATR on its next candle. Aaron.